How can you remove hide chats from your WhatsApp? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp application, you just simply have to tap into this three dot into the top right corner. Just simply tap there and go to settings. Now after coming into settings, you will get to see this option of privacy. Just simply tap to privacy option, and after tapping into there, you will get to see so many options, and one of them is this chat log. Just simply scroll down a bit and you will get to see the chat log option. Tap into chat log, and now in order to unlock or clear all the logged chats, you just simply have to tap into this unlock and clear logged chats option. Tap into that and then tap to unlock and clear, and it will ask for your lock screen password or fingerprint or pin. Then after entering that, your all of the chats will be unlocked. This way you can very easily unlock or remove chats from the locked chats. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.